Yeah, 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 yeah.
That's what I do. Every time.
Woo.
Every time
So
somebody
now
tries
that's
to
my
say,
answer. When they be like, "Oh, you did this wrong," I'm
No!
like,
It's me, Faith!
"They be quiet."
And you're watching Nick do the video! Ba ba ba!
So why don't you come?
Now, we found the scary faces are gonna make them forever! Are you ready? Alright, here we go! Ah! Ah! Yuzi,
indoor voice.
that scared you, and I want to So stay tuned, and because we're going to see the movie called Charlotte's Web 2 right here on Nick Jr. Video. Bye-bye! Wow!
So if you want her to learn,
You
you
see.
need to show her.
Yeah.
And
Beep, 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 beep. Ah, yeah, yeah. Ah, wow. What?
Because she is a human.
Exactly.
What up? Is here? And you watching Nick Jr. Papa
Or do you just expect her now? I would more than happy to
Jacob.
go dentist?
No.
Cut that out.
Excuse me, do. Okay, that'd be good.
Is that his hand?
Hey guys, it's me, Ubi.
Oh no.
I think this is Wednesday. I'm Facebook and YouTube and Twitter. It's after this rocket machine, what's going on, but I have no idea about how to watch it.
And the guy.
Hoping you're okay.
I swear.
I don't think so now. If you don't care how things. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow.
Oh, I did see it. He had a paper
Oh,
with
you
that.
saw it?
It's there.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah.
what said eyeballs on it.
Whoop!
They had a TV show and made money.
Oh God.
Yep.
Can you imagine?
No!